Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Study with Slow. I hope you all are doing extremely well. Well guys, in this video we are going to see Cognizant interview experience for Gen Z and Elevate profiles. So before proceeding further to the video guys, make sure to do subscribe this channel if you haven't yet, and also turn on the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from our side, right? So let's see what are the interview experiences by two candidates, right? So the very first candidate is Shruti. She is from 2023 batch and she is from Lucknow. Okay, and the duration and date of the interview will be, was 3 of September 2022, and the duration was only 15 minutes. And she told me that the interviewer was really polite, was really nice personality, and she enjoyed the interview, right? So these some sort of questions they asked from Shruti. There were two panelists and they asked from Shruti, and she was very happy after giving the interview. Okay, because the interview are really nice, so don't be hesitate, don't be nervous while you are giving your interview, right? So be confident and have trust on you that yeah, you will crack the interview also, right? So these are the questions. The very first question was introduce yourself and then show me your identity. So basically they want Aadhaar card or college ID, right? Then from where do you belong? To Shruti belong Shruti belong to Lucknow, so she said Lucknow. And interviewer don't know too much about Lucknow, so he asked. So the interviewer was really friendly and he asked to Shruti that tell me more about Lucknow. I want to know more about Lucknow, right? Okay, so yeah, then the next question was in which programming you used to write code, or we can say that you are comfortable with, right? And she said that I'm comfortable with Python. And the branch of Shruti was production engineering, right? So she said that I'm comfortable with Python. Then he asked to Shruti that why did you choose Python only? Why don't C, Java, .NET, etc.? Why did you choose only Python? So she described some of the features of the Python, like it is easy to learn and beginner friendly language, and new technologies like blockchain, cloud computing, AI, ML are can be coded in Python. Matlab Python is basically helpful for these kind of new technologies. Okay, so she told them. Then describe OOPS and its features or concepts. So Shruti very well described the OOPS. What is OOPS? OOPS is the methodology which revolves around objects rather than procedure and function. Okay, and then she described the concepts like abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance very well with a real world example of each concept, right? So the interviewer was very happy from her explanation. And the next question he put that difference between encapsulation and abstraction, because most of the student think that encapsulation and abstractions are the same thing, but this is not like that. These are the different thing, different concepts in OOPS. Okay, so she told the difference that this is the abstraction and this is the encapsulation. You can check out the differentiation on Java T Pointer Geeks for Geeks. You can surf on the internet, right? Then the next question was difference between list and tuple. So this is the question from Python, as Shruti was comfortable in Python. So this question is from Python, and this is the mostly asked interview question. What is the difference between list and tuple? One is mutable and another is immutable, right? And which new technology are you interested in? So Shruti said that I am interested in three technologies. First of all, cloud computing, then blockchain, and then AI. So the next question was from cloud computing. Okay, so what do you know about cloud computing? So Shruti tell that I know this about cloud computing. And then the next question again from cloud computing, something like Google Cloud related कोई question था, but Shruti उसको नहीं answer कर पाई थी. That's all right. This is not the case that you are going to not hired or something, not like that. If you don't know something, then you can simply answer that this time I am not able to recall this answer, or answer this question and I will explore that question, something like that you can say. Okay, then the next question was in which database you are comfortable with, और मतलब आपको कौन सा database आता है, आपने कौन सा database पढ़ा है. तो श्रुति का जवाब था that उसने SQL किया है. तो SQL से next question था that what is normalization in SQL, right? So Shruti covered that for redundancy control we use database normalization, and for anomalies, right? Anomalies anomaly is a concept, and there are 3 types of anomalies, right? So उसको कम करने के लिए, उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए हम normalization का यूज़ करते हैं. ऐसे ऐसे उसने बता दिया था. Okay, and the interviewer was satisfied with her answer. Then the next question was what is 3NF, right? 3NF normalization form, right? There are 3 kind of 4 kind of normalization, right? First normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and voice code, right? So what is 3NF? With an example, Shruti have to tell. Okay, so she very well explained. And the next question was, there are so many questions in 15 minutes only. Okay, so what is VCNF? So Shruti explained that also very well. And then, are you comfortable to change your domain? Okay, so बेसिकली उसमें उससे पूछा ये गया था कि आपने जैसा कि बताया कि आप क्लाउड चेन में क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग में, ब्लॉक चेन में, एआई में इंटरेस्ट रखती हैं, तो फिर अगर हम आपको यूआई यूएक्स पर काम करने के लिए दें या फिर वेब डेवलपमेंट पर काम करने के लिए दें, तो आप कितने दिन लेंगी उस पर्टिकुलर टेक्नोलॉजी को सीखने के लिए, और आप कंफर्टेबल होंगी अपने डोमेन को चेंज करने के लिए या फिर नहीं हो पाएंगी. तो श्रुति ने बोला कि येस, आई एम अ क्विक लर्नर ऑल्सो एंड आई विल बी एबल टू डू दैट, राइट. देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज, आर यू willing to relocate and what are your preferred locations, and then are you able for night shift? So Shruti said that yeah, I am comfortable with night shift also. Okay, so then at the last, interviewer asked to Shruti that any question for me. So Shruti asked 2 questions that how will you rate me? Okay, श्रुति ने अपने आप के लिए पूछा, then how will you rate me, and how was your experience in your past journey in Cognizant? Then interviewer tell that I have been working in Cognizant from 18 years and it is really a nice company, and these are some technology you can be very proficient in, you have to do work on, and you are very well, right? ऐसा ऐसा उन्होंने बता दिया था. एंड उससे उनको अंदाज़ा हो गया था कि ये नेक्स्ट मतलब प्रोफाइल के लिए सेलेक्ट हो सकती हैं, राइट. सो एट द एंड श्रुति ने आप सबके लिए एक टिप दिया है कि आप अपना एप्टी रीजनिंग अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करें, एज वेल एज HR राउंड के लिए अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करें, क्योंकि वो भी एक पर्सनैलिटी चेक होता है, राइट. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट श्रुति एक्सपीरियंस, राइट. सो मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट. So next is from Aman. Okay, so he is also from 2023 batch and also from Lucknow. Okay, same location. Okay, so the very first question for Aman was introduction. Okay, then what is your CGPA, and then your hobbies. Interviewer was really friendly to them, to both of them, and right. So on the same date दोनों का इंटरव्यू था, एंड बट डिफरेंट कॉलेज थे उनके, ऐसा नहीं है कि कॉलेज भी सेम था. ओके, एंड अमन का जो है वो ऑन कैंपस था एंड श्रुति का ऑफ कैंपस था. ओके, अमन की ब्रांच इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स थी एंड श्रुति की ब्रांच प्रोडक्शन इंजीनियरिंग थी. सो moving on to the next, what are your skills? So Aman said that I know C++ and Python, and I am working on Python ML, right. Then your project and it's working. So Aman made a project based on machine learning. So he very well explained about his project and future scope of his project, and it's working and functioning, right. And the interviewer was very happy from Aman's project because the project idea was really nice. Okay, and data types in Python, and what are the different data structures, you have to just explain like array, linked list, structure, tree, graph, these sort of data structure. Aman just have to explain, right. And then cloud computing से उनके लिए 2 questions थे, and this is all about Aman experience, और उनसे कुछ नहीं पूछा गया था. ऐसा नहीं है कि हर बंदे से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएं, किसी किसी से बहुत सारे भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं एंड किसी से कम क्वेश्चंस भी पूछे जाते हैं। तो बस आप अपना अच्छे से प्रिपेयर रहिए एंड द मेन थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट। अगर आपको थोड़ा सा कम भी आता है बट उसको आंसर अगर आप कर रहे हैं तो फिर आप उसको अपने कंफर्ट जोन में एंड अपने कॉन्फिडेंट से दीजिए कि हाँ मैं जो आंसर दे रहा हूँ वो ठीक दे रहा हूँ। एंड अगर आपको नहीं आता है देन डायरेक्टली मना कर दीजिए कि नहीं आता। ओके और बस यही सारी चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना है। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो। आई होप all the experiences are clear to you. Still you have doubts, then you can comment on your query in the comment section, and also do not forget to turn on the bell icon after subscribing the channel. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.